Hi guys! Okay, so I've just set this up actually in my kitchen to show you. I received my first package from Trilogy nail systems. I have had a sneaky peek, I'm so sorry, I just couldn't resist. But I've been, this was super fast. I think it was like 48 hours from the time of ordering and then it was on my doorstep. I wasn't expecting it that quick actually. When the door went, I thought, it's my new brush, and it wasn't. And I was like, oh. And then I realised what it was. So, let me first show you what I've got. And the reason I'm showing you now is because I know there is a deal on at the moment and you might want to get your hands on it. So this is the monomer. Now I believe it's primerless. You don't need a primer. It's got primer in it, so that's excellent. These are really good size. So this is the trial. This is what you get in the trial kit. You get the monomer, and you get 4 of the polymers. You get clear. Oh, it tells you on the back. You get clear, pink, white, and cover pink. Okay. If you want me to do a swatch video, let me know. I'm happy to do that. Just wanted to show you what you get in the packet. And I'll tell you something. I haven't opened this yet, but I have checked out something else that I got. So let's just look at batch number 3556, which is cover pink. Okay. I always tap because, especially with CJP, they spill over the edge, which is really annoying. Oh, it's sealed here. So I'm just gonna, I know what I tell you guys, they're jewels, not tools, but they do come in handy, do you know what I mean? Let me just get this, oh my God. Let me get it open, hang on. Now, I like a full pot, but I don't like it when you open the pot and it's all around the edge and it's all spills out everywhere, which has happened recently. So I just want to see that's what I like. Okay, you've still got the same amount. These are 10 gram pots, but the pots are a good size. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. So that's that. I also got from them, oh my God, check this out. Is that just not the most beautiful? This is a 10 gram pot of Eden Hollow glitter, which is like a green hollow. Let me just open this and show you. Stunning. Now this was £4, but I saved even more, and I'll tell you how in a sec. And I also got, because I've got an idea of some spring type summer ideas going on, I got 6 grams of their coloured acrylic lemon meringue. There is a clip of that on my Instagram, which is actually Trilogy's clip. It's got a slight sparkle to it. Again, if you want these swatched, just let me know. I wasn't sure whether you want them swatched or not, whether you just wanted an unboxing, but I will swatch them if you want me to. So, you've got the trial kit, which I believe is normally £20. It's currently, when I went on and bought it middle of the week, it was £15 for this trial kit. So with the 4 colours and the monomer. And not only that, but I have managed to get a discount code for you guys. So you can save an extra 10%. So you're not only saving a £5, if they're originally marked at 20 and they're down to 15, then you're going to save another £1.50 on top of that. So that's good, saving yourself £6.50. And the same with these as well, 10% off. 10% off anything when you order. Just put the code QueenB10. I will put it on the screen now. I'll also put it in the description box. So let me know if you want these swatched. I'm really excited to give it a go. I know that a friend of mine uses Trilogy and she's been so happy with it. So yes. Oh, and if you want to see how these are done, stay tuned because I will be posting them up. It's just they're part of a collaboration. So I've got to wait a minute. I've got to finish editing and then they'll be up. Take care. Love you lots. Bye.